Hi, welcome to our tour of the new Indiana Envirothon website. I'm going to make sure that everyone knows how to register and what happens once you do register. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to indianaenvirothon.org. And once you get there, you'll find there are 3 places to register, or 3 different options for registration. You don't need to do all 3. So the first one up here is at the top. There's a link that says registration. You can click that. If you just hover, you'll get some additional information. If you go down about halfway through our page, you will find this big green box that has registration link. And if you go all the way down to the bottom, you'll find this globe that says registration. All 3 of these links will take you to the same place. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to click that. That'll say register for the 2021 competition. Make sure that you fill out this form completely. Very importantly, please click the region that you typically attend. If you have never attended a marathon, then welcome. And if you need help figuring out which region that you are in, please feel free to go here to About. What you'll see is that these 3 tabs will pop down. You can click Regions. These are the regional coordinators. You should be able to sort of guess which region you would be representing based on where the coordinators are. But if you have any questions, by all means, contact any one of us. I'm Nicole. I'm the Northwest Indiana Regional Coordinator, but also the president of the Indiana State Envirothon Committee. So please feel free to reach out and ask us, and we'll help you get that. So when you go to your registration link, get that in there. Then when I receive your registration in the email, I will forward it to your regional coordinator. They'll reach out to you and say, hi, welcome to Envirothon. And what they'll do is they'll direct you here. We're going to go back home to this little black box down at the bottom called the participant portal. Once you've registered and heard from your regional coordinator, you're going to click that. Click the participant portal. It's going to prompt you to register. There'll be a little box. You're going to put in your email, and it's going to ask you for a password. You're going to set that password up. That password is something you're going to share with all of your teams, no matter if you have 1 team or 3 teams or whatever. You're going to share that password with them so that they can log in to this participant portal. What we're going to ask them to do is click on Student Documents, and this is where they're going to submit the code of conduct, which is very important this year because they will be doing a virtual test. So we want to eliminate any issues with cheating, and we want the students to be as honest as possible, completely honest. So you'll click that, you'll get the code of conduct. You'll see that if they are under age 18, they still need to have their parent sign. Also photo video release, also a little bit different this year because we're virtual. And they're going to go ahead and sign that, have parents sign it, and either scan and re-upload here. There's a file selector, or they can take a cell phone photo or whatever works for them to get that uploaded. Then you're registered. So then you're going to want to start studying with your students. So you're going to head over to this resource tab and click it, or if you hover, the different resource areas will pull down. So what you'll see is let's go to, say, aquatic ecology. You will get all of the resources that are available for you to use, the different links and websites, the objectives, and then you'll see over here our presentation. Obviously, since we're not in person, we're not going to have in-person presentations, but we do have these presentations by our various presenters. So here's Cassie Oswald with the Nature Conservancy doing our aquatic ecology one. And then once your students have watched it, underneath here's a link to a Google form. They can fill that out, ask questions. Those will get sent to the presenters, and then the presenters will compile all of those, and then before the contest, they will record another video answering those questions. So they can go ahead and do that as they're, if they have multiple questions, they can watch these videos as many times as they'd like. And then as we get closer to testing, I'm going to send you out another instructional video for how to get into the test once we've prepared and sent out those links. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Here's a contact us that it'll send you to a little general inquiry form, and then here's all of your regional coordinators. I hope we've answered all your questions. Don't hesitate to reach out. We want this to work for you. We want it to be a really positive experience. Thanks for your patience. I look forward to working with all the teams this year.